things you probably don't know about your dog. We have all heard that a dog is a man's best friend, but here are a few things about your best buddy that still might surprise you. Dog noses act as detectors. Everyone is familiar with the way their dogs smell out stuff, but not many know that dogs can even sniff to detect diseases in their owners, such as blood sugar abnormalities and diabetes. What do their hiccups mean? Dogs, like humans, can get hiccups from eating or drinking too fast, as they may swallow extra air during the process. However, sometimes even feelings of anxiety, fear, stress, and excitement can trigger hiccups in dogs. Better night vision. Though a dog's vision does not go as far as humans, yet they have better night vision. They see things and detect activities and motions better in dim light settings. Why do they chase their tail? Ever wonder why your pup chases its own tail? There's actually a good reason to that seemingly pointless habit. The circular motion flattens the tall grass in the wild, turning it into a cozy perch for them. Being jealous. Studies show that dogs indeed express jealousy. It's because dogs have the same hormone, oxytocin, which has been shown to be involved in both expressions of love and jealousy in experiments involving humans. Sweaty paws. Dogs' paws sweat so much because their sweat glands are located between their paws. They sweat big time when their bodies get overheated. So don't be surprised if you see your dog leaving wet footprint trails on the floor next time you come in from a jogging session. Insecurity. Along with jealousy, dogs also experience insecurities. A frightened dog will put its tail between his legs because their gesture cuts off the scent glands in its anal region, which carry personal scents that identify each individual dog. It's almost as if the dog is hiding his ID card or going into antisocial mode. Diet. You need to supervise a dog's diet not because they can get fat, but because certain human foods are downright harmful for your dog. Examples include grapes and raisins, mushrooms, onions, macadamia nuts, chocolate, or anything with caffeine, and of course alcohol. Their noses leave prints too. Just as humans are identified by their fingerprints, dogs can be identified by their nose prints, because a dog's nose print is unique to a particular dog. Dog instinct. Like women, even dogs have a sharp instinct. They are incredible at sensing things about you. They can pick up on your fear or sadness. They even notice inequality and can tell when you are not paying attention. Hot dogs. No, it's not about the food or the sex appeal. Dogs have a higher body temperature than human beings. The average body temperature of a dog is as high as 101 to 103 degrees Fahrenheit. It's for this reason that fleas are attracted to your dog. If you like this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.